Dear student, you see another sum is written over here. An amount of money invested tripled in 6 years. Find the rate of interest. So what is the meaning of it? An amount of money, suppose rupees X was invested, become tripled. Tripled means 3 times. In how many years? In 6 years. That will find the rate of interest. So first you assume let P equals to, let P be equals to X, rupees X. Amount as for the given information, amount equals to 3 into X, rupees 3 into X. So I equals to how much coming? I equals to coming A minus P equals to 3X minus X. So 2X is coming, rupees 2X. Now which things you have to find out? Time is already given, 6 years. Find the rate of interest. So which formula is there regarding the rate? Rate equals to, rate equals to SI in simple interest into 100 by P into T. Then SI equals to how much? SI equal to 2X into how much? 100. P equals to how much? The principal was X. Time equals to how much? It is 6. So this X will cut 2 3s. So the answer is coming 16. This is coming 33 1 by 3%. This is the rate. So write down rate equals to 33 1 by 3%. Now student, you see another sum is written here. Find the principal when the final amount is rupees 4500 at 20% per annum for 5 years. Mean which things you have to find out? You have to find out the principal. We have to find out the principal and which details are given. The details are given. First it is given that amount equals to rupees 4500. This is the amount. Time equals to given 5 years. Rate equals to given 20%. Now you have to find out the principal. There are many ways to find out the sum, but one simplest way is to use a formula. Principal, the formula principal is A into 100 by RT plus 100. So here A equals to how much? Here A equals to 45. A stands for amount, 450 into 100. RT means rate equals to how much? Rate equals to 20. Time equals to how much? 5 plus 100. So 4500 into 100 by 520. 20 into 500. 100 plus 100, that is equals to 200. This 0 will cut. This 0 will cut. It will go 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 50. So answer is 2250. So whenever you will do this type of sum, on that time you have to see that which data are given. Write down the data which are already given and then apply this formula. This formula will help you to do the sum within a few minutes. So and then substitute all the value and get your answer. So write down the principal equals to principal amount equals to rupees 2250. I think you have understood. Dear student, today I am going to discuss or do few sum from the exercise simple interest. Few days before I have already discussed about the formula and the procedure of this sum. Today you have seen that one sum is already written on the board. Now how to solve it? You see that find the time when rupees 1250 amounts to rupees 1950 at 16% per annum interest. Then what to do? First, you see, that day I told you that whenever you are going to read out it, the sum, on the time the which details are given, you first copy it. Here, read out, find time. So time you have to find out. When rupees 1250 mean 1250 is the principal, amounts to rupees 1950 mean 1950 is the amount. So here I am writing P equals to rupees 1250. Okay, this is rupees, amount equals to rupees 1950. For a simple interest, SI equals to how much? The formula you know that we also have discussed, at A minus P. What is the value of A minus P? 1950 minus 1250, sorry. So this one is coming, how much coming? 700. So rupees 700 is the interest. Now which things you have to find out? Time is already given. Time you have to find out whenever interest, rate of interest equals to 16%. Now the which formula? Can you remember the formula? I have written 4 formulas regarding this sum. The one formula was there regarding the time. Time equals to, it was I into 100 by R into P, R into P into R divided by P into R. Time equals to how much? I mean 700. From here, SI or I, the same thing. So this one I have written into 100 divided by P. P equals to how much? 1250 into rate equal to 16. Now see how to calculate it. You have to do by this way. This 0 will cut, it will go by the 5. 5 2s are 25. Then how much coming? 5 5s are 140. Then 28 2 8 4 2s are 7. The time equals to coming 7 by 2. So that is 3 1 by 2 years. 3 1 by 2 years. This is the time. Understood?